So guys, for the first step, make sure that your SD card is plugged into your computer via an adapter or just however you're going to plug it in. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. And now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. Now you want to type in select space disk space and then your SD card disk. For me, I've only got one disk, which is 64 gigabytes. For you, you may have more disks. You want to select your SD card disk number. You're going to know which one is which through the size. In my case, I'm going to type in select disk 0. In your case, you want to type in select disk and then your SD card number of your disk. And then click on enter, which will now select your SD card. After you select your disk, for the last command, you want to type in clean and then click on enter. In my case, it did not work because I selected my C drive. I don't actually have an SD card. But in your case, if you would have chose your SD card disk, if you would have selected it and you typed in clean, for you, it should be saying disk part succeeded in cleaning your disk. And we can now close out this. And now you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you should be seeing your SD card drive. Or it may be saying something like unallocated and the color might be black. So if you do see this, you want to right click on it and then click on new simple volume. And then click on next. You can then follow the steps to then format your drive and then it should be working.